So hey guys, mambo, karibuni tena. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Leo tuko Thika. Huku ni Thika and we are going to explore the area of Delview. Huku ni where I heard where the rich hide in Thika and shoot a video. Ooh, there's a nice view on this side. Today is a Mandamano day and it's very calm. I thought today will be a very perfect day for me to shoot. It's calm. Huku ni Thika, kuko peaceful by the way. I think if you are in Kenya, kila mahali saizi watu wamefunga majob, watu wanaandamana, but Thika is cool. I love it so much. So this is inaitwa Delview, iko na different gates. This gate yenye tunaangalia saizi inaitwa Goldview Estate Wangare Maathai gate. I don't know anything. I'm just going in blindly and we are going to have fun. And I think that's it. If you're new here, by the way, consider subscribing. You should comment, like, and share, and tell me what you think of Thika series. We've done a couple of videos, and this time, by the way, onyeshe nimeva nini. This time nimeva skates. So this time nimeva skates. I know most of you guys miss skating video, but leo ndo ile siku. So see you on the road. I'm going to switch to Insta360 camera so that you get amazing shots. In case I need to talk and explain something, I will do so, but we are going in blindly. I don't know where we are going. I don't know what's there. I don't know the road. I just don't know, but I don't like dogs. That's the fun part about creating content. Cheers and see you on the video. Now unaitwaje? Kama. Nice to meet you, Kama. Yeah, guys, we are going. We are on. And look at that. Goldview Estate. I'm excited, guys, especially me skating. It's been a while since I skated and create content for you. Mambo. So in this video, we are going to show you where the rich hide in Thika. And when we talk about rich, the first thing that comes to your mind is infrastructure, the houses, mambo, the roads. But from this shot, I think the houses really look nice. This is called Delview. But first of all, let's see how far we can go. I just want you to see. Mambo, look at how beautiful the area is. But this is kind of where the rich hide and do their stuff. I want you to look at the houses. Very nice, very beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I never felt so nice and so good to skate. Look at these houses. For example, if you're getting, like, if your first time coming across this channel, my name is George from Flashskaters, and I feel like my skater loose. I'm in a good mood, by the way. My name is George from Flashskaters, and I make travel videos, but the unique part about me is I go around using skates. That's the best part about me. And today we are in Thika, and this is an area called Delview, and we're just chilling and like experiencing where the rich hide in Thika. There are so many beautiful houses here. I'm even like, I don't know which one I can choose, if I'm going to choose one. But let's enjoy. I see a road going up. I think I will take that. And we go. Mambo. Look at that. So we go up. Remember, today we are going to the unknowns. And they have nice roads. Wow, look at that. Look at that, man. Look at all that. This is so beautiful. Yeah. Look at that, man. So, so beautiful, man. Look at me. I'm so happy, man. I've never been this happy. And it feels so nice to skate. It feels so, so nice to skate. Ah, man. This is the end of the road, but I don't know if you can. Look at this view. Something to die for. So let's dive in onto the video, and we just keep on showing you the beautiful areas. I also love that they try and do some farming here, because you know most developed area you find like it's houses. Like these guys even have cassava. I see some maize here. They have really nice and bright houses colors. Like the houses are bright in color, and this is something nice. This is so nice. This is Thika, guys. Thika and an area called Delview. Look at this. They have bananas and they are ripe. We also have napier grass, maize, some construction going on. And I will try and get my facts right. This is something beautiful, and my friend. Anyway, we go down. I love the road. We try and see what's on the other side. It's very steep, and we have a connecting road. So I really have to slow down. Really, it's very quiet. I think they're even surprised. Who is this guy? Oh, yeah, we are good. So still on the journey. Mambo. Oh, what's that? I don't like dogs. So we keep going. Try and get. Okay, the place is not full, like, you know, like full. Like there's still some construction ongoing. I think you can even get a land, if I'm not wrong. I'm sure some houses are for sale here. Like look at that on my left, a very nice house. And let's go. Let's explore the unknown. We're just here, and I'm just mesmerized by the beauty of houses here. You can check on the other side. It's very nice. There's a school here still, and this is so amazing. I love how quiet and, you know, remind me of Rhonda, Karen, and just how peaceful the area is. It's so nice. Let's go. We're still cruising. Oh my God. There's a nice house in front of me there, and God damn it. Look at that. I'm talking about this one. Oh man. Damn. Anyway, there's more. This is just a video of us checking out the place. Niaze. Kopoa. Hatuwezi ingia ndani. Hey man, look at that house, man. Let's try and get this shot. Look at this one. This is where the rich hide. Very nice, amazing area, and the terrain here is something to die for. Literally die for. Okay, let's cruise. I'm super excited to be back on my skates. Feels good, and also it gives me a hype, you know, an energy to come and shoot a video. Ooh, there's a nice view on this side. I want you to check. Look at that view. Whew. Let's try and go in off-road a little bit. See that? Woo! Guys, I'm doing all this so that I can show you places you never see. Okay. think this will be okay. That is fine. This is just a little bit of off-road so that I don't miss a spot for you guys. Look at that. This is called Neema Drive. I think it extended to the other side. Ooh, the other side. But the road is not it's not good for me to skate. Like a 360 view of beautiful houses, right, left, everywhere. Very, very nice. Let's go back to the tarmac so that I don't spoil my skates and kill my bearings. Woo. Very nice. Still nice. Some nice and beautiful views on this side. Wow. So we're back to the main road. And by the way, guys, this is a perfect opportunity for me to tell you to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and enjoy this amazing view. Right or left? I think left will do. Oh shit! It ends here. That was a bummer. I just want you to see. Look at this view. Look at that. Super amazing. And I think the best thing we can do is continue with our journey. Okay, some houses look old, some look new. You know, like it's a mixture of old, new, but either way, the infrastructure and the houses are very beautiful. And also, I love the view on the other side. It's very nice. I wish they had a road down here. Look at that view. Let me stand here. Look at this view. Look at that. I don't know what's on the other side. I don't know the name of that side, but it looks so nice. And also, I love the you know, the vibe on this area. I just love it. So let's go. Remember, guys, Thika is an industrial town. It's one of the oldest towns in Kenya. You know, it was and it has many institutions. At the same time, we are like a few kilometers from the main Thika town, and this is just the outskirts of Thika on your way to Makutano or Kenol. This is where you'll find the Delview. It's past Blue Post, and I think if you ever want to experience like the real luxury life, luxurious life of Thika, you should just check out this area. I don't think there's another area that you can. I have not seen, unless there is, of which now that's why you come in, you comment you tell me on the comment section, like I should explore this area and check what's on the other side. In the meantime, I think I'm leaving the estate, the gated community. I'm not sure, but I can see something like a gate, and there's few houses on this side, and I think let's check what's on the other side. So, in case the video ends from here, let me just confirm before I make an irrational decision. Let me see what's behind me. Oh, still Golf View Estate, Joseph Kang'ethe Gate. This is Joseph Kang'ethe Gate because the other gate was Wangare Maathai, but the same name, Golf View Estate, but Wangare Maathai Gate. Wangare Maathai Gate. Yeah. What do you think of this video? What do you think of this amazing video? And they have really nice road, and I'm feeling so good today to skate. You know, let me go on my side. This other side, the road is not good, but we keep on keeping on. They have nice road. We are still okay. I think I stand corrected. I think the estate, the gated community, it's called Golf View Estate, not Delview. I think the stop point is called Delview. This is the golf club, if looks like so, or is it a park? No, this is the golf club. Inside here is the golf. So I think the area is called Golf View, not Del View. Yeah. And whew, let's go. Let's wind it up. Let's see what's on the other side. Let's see what's on the other side. Very nice. This is another estate. It's called Apabendo Estate. Okay. This is Thika Sports Club. Yeah. See that? This is a sports club. And I'm not a member, so it's members only. I think you can see that. See that? We still have some beautiful houses on the other side. I just hope I don't get hit by a golf. I love it. So I'm going to wind the video. I just want to see what's on the other side. Yeah, but if you're new here, by the way, thank you so much for watching and clicking to watch this video. I'm still in Thika. We still have a few more videos to show you guys. Thika is very big, and I love the response of the video of this series. So let's go. I don't like the road, it's kinda not smooth, but let's go. Okay, I think we are going back to the main road, and this is a primary school. I don't know the name of it. That very nice. Anyway, we keep on doing this, and oh, it's killing me, my leg. You know, the road is usually bad because it makes your body vibrate, and the vibration makes my leg itchy, and oh, I don't like that feeling. It's not good at all. Yeah, so I think we are leaving the estate. I can see the main highway here. Yeah, I think we're almost done. Oh, we are back to the main road. Yeah, and this is, if you watch my previous, I think a couple of 2 videos back, we skated on this side. This is called Del View Blue Post. No, Del Monte area. Yeah, guys. Woo. The roads. I think that's it. Say that. This is one of the, like the shop for the Del Monte farm. The Del Monte farm is on the other side. They have 2 shops. On the other video, I was on the other side. And I think I will end the video here. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, by the way. And you should know that Thika is in Kiambu town. This is the main road. This is the main Thika Nairobi highway, if I'm not wrong. Makutano and Kenol is on the other side. Woo! Nice. Bye guys. Subscribe, comment, like and share, and I will see you on the next video. I'm supposed to go this side for me to access Thika town, if I'm not wrong. I don't know about the road, so I will think I'll remove my shoes and walk. I cannot skate. Yeah, bye bye guys. Subscribe, comment, like and share, and cheers.